Hi guys, it's Val Garland here, and these are my beauty routines for INGLOT. Step 1, fresh cheeks. For that fresh air flush, let's talk radiance. Step 2, you've been framed. Let's define those brows. Step 3, for eyes we're going soft, sculpted and seamless. You want structure, definition, not hard shadow drama. Then 1 coat of More Than Legend mascara in black. This lifts, defines, but it keeps it soft. Nothing heavy here, just a little bit of lift. Step 4, we've gone viral with Kiss Catcher in Dusty Pink 903. So this is the classic look. It's timeless, it's flawless. By using a few well-placed products, it's just such an easy look to pull off.